Transcend is our flagship interview guidance program. To improve your chances in personality test, enroll in our Transcend program and get personalized attention. Link to enroll for the program is in the description below.
Prabhat Singh.
Yes, sir.
Your father's name is added here, right? That's because you studied in Gujarat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maharashtra,
It
Gujarat.
doesn't happen in
Yes, sir.
this region.
Maharashtra and Gujarat. It happens.
So they changed the surname also in front.
Yeah, I know, because that was the biggest disaster for me. I mean, they added my father's name, my big name, my father's name, and it's like
And it
that
became
big.
7,
That's
8
how it happened.
later.
Why does it happen in
Word.
Maharashtra and Gujarat? It doesn't happen in UP or Bihar?
Yes, sir.
Or in any part of India.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Apart from South, huh? South is a different village का नाम भी सब लग
So
जाएगा.
South is your ML Sarjawaz.
That's it. Then you leave it apart.
Yeah, my friend C.N. Devan Reddy. So his village name, his father's name, his name.
Sorry.
But why does it happen in Maharashtra and Gujarat? They would not allow. I mean, that's compulsory.
Yes.
I mean, you
Even
can't-
when I was in
cannot
Bombay,
you-
this happened.
If you're making an entry of your name, your father's name has to be there.
Yes.
Sir, there's a very fine logic behind this. Sir, if you recognize Gujarat is a merchant state, and the business of merchant in the earlier period used to go on by names. The credibility was recognized on names. So the major Angadia and the business families, for example, I started a Angadia. Basically, it was the cash transaction. Basically, Angadias are cash transaction bodies over there. Plus the diamond merchants. So the credibility was based on name. We did not have promissory note or we did not have negotiable instruments back then. So to ensure credibility, the name of the person was the main essence. So when this thing started, business culture started, so people asked, okay, why do I believe you? So he said, oh, I'm son of Purushottam Das. Okay, so how do I know? So my name is Mafatlal Purushottam Das Govindwala. And then they'll attach the name of the village or the profession. Hira wala, bottle wala, sodla wala. So this is how the name got a verification that okay, this person is credible and we can give him loan and same will be followed. So if you'll see the Indian leaders, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So these people come from a reputed family. Mr. Sardar Patel ji had his father's name was very well recognized in the Patel Samaj as well. In fact, the Bardoli Satyagraha, which was recognized, was called in by the Patel community because his father already had a reputation in that Patel community. Similarly, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji, also his father was a reputed businessman in that area.
Okay, there's this good conspiracy theory which is quite interesting that Indian freedom struggle was a sponsored struggle by the businessmen.
Right. In many forums.
Yes, sir. This is also one of the theory because with the coming of the industrialization, the Indian business community was not getting so much profits or ventures to invest their money into. In fact, we can see with the coming of the Indian Railways, where they were ready to come together and support Indian Railways, they would not allow. So the Indian industrial lobby did support on a mass scale to the freedom fighters. Similarly, the same model was followed in, if we can see Gandhiji opening Tolstoy farm in South Africa was also funded by the different businessman and industrialist lobbies. So this was definitely to extend the interest of the businessman, but at the end we do benefit from it. So yes, the domestic interests were also taken care of.
So should I interpret that Gandhiji was a pawn, or rather business community exploited Gandhiji?
Even Ambedkar accused. There's a letter.
Sir, yes, that can be one of the interpretation. But if we see from another angle, Gandhiji, we can say that Gandhiji in fact used very wisely the business and industrial classes because his model of development never supported big industries and businesses. He was always concentrated to village development of model.
But all these big businessmen,
Yes, sir.
they were very close to Gandhiji, and they became big, and they didn't go for small industries.
Yes, sir.
Look at Bajaj. Look at this whole what do you call this business community from Calcutta? From actually they are from Pilani, Birlas.
Birlas.
They didn't go for any small
Yes, sir.
company. They
Yes, sir.
all went for big industries.
Yes, sir.
So they didn't follow what Gandhiji wanted.
Yes, sir. But sir, it can be say that the interest of the business community was solved by Gandhiji's movement because he gave them human power which was needed for their industries. When Gandhiji said Swadeshi and work for the Indian country, so the labor wanted to work in any Indian company, so they were getting good labor and the products were also being utilized in the Indian territory itself. So ultimately the relationship was symbiotic for that period.
Okay, so you love backpacking traveling.
Yes, sir.
What is this backpacking traveling?
So it is a younger version of backpacking. Basically, backpackers are very budgeted travelers, and they do not travel as a tourist, wherein they spend much money on traveling or staying. Backpackers mostly like to travel local and with less amount of ecological harm to the society, as well as the cultural integration is more in backpacking. And these are the main concepts which go around.
What's the fun in that? You know,
Yes.
you travel with all kind of pain.
So that is the actual fun, because once you stay as a localite, you get to know the real culture and the real talks of the society. For example, the Israelis which have settled in many portions of Himachal have helped to bring in reforms in the hilly region which was earlier neglected by the administration. They have run schools, they have run NGOs.
Israelis.
Yes, sir. In the Spiti and the Parvati Valley, which has been recognized, sir, it was initially discovered by the Israelis at most. We Indians ourselves have recently started going into Spiti, and we go for adventure. But these people from Israel or from other Europeans, they went there for culture, to read the culture, the Malana culture, the old Aryan theory. So they venture in these places to know about the culture and to get peace of mind.
So you have you been to those places?
Sir, I've been a lot to Kasol, and I've been to Parvati Valley, I've been to Spiti Valley, Tirthan Valley. Yes, sir.
Okay, so by just this backpacking traveling concept, by
Yes.
following this concept, or you took a bullet bike and went.
No, sir. Again, backpacking will not be a bullet traveling. Bullet is costlier. Backpacking is very nominal, sir.
So the prime importance here is the budget.
Budget. Yes, sir. Because I was a student and I was earning part time, and I was with a company, Backpackers Traveler. So I used to volunteer with them. So I used to take troops. So they used to pay me for my travel as well. So this is how I sponsored my education for last 2-3 years. After
Okay. I've seen that you are a sports person, right? You
Yes, sir.
played under 14 cricket also.
Yes, sir.
So you didn't try to pursue it as a career?
Sir, unfortunately, no, because I had scholarship and that could have been extended for another 6 years. But there were some family emergencies that I had to come back and leave my sports.
Or your father forced you to go for studies? He didn't want you to become a cricketer?
No,
or
sir.
Waste your career? Like a typical
Yes, Indian family, right.
idea of
Sir, in that concern, I was always very lucky. My parents always supported us to pursue any kind of scholarship. In fact, I already bagged Sports Authority of India scholarship when I was 10 years old in Kamti. But the facilities over there were not good, so my father did not let me join there. And again in Gujarat, he promoted me to join here, my parents. But eventually my parents got separated in this period when I was in Sports Authority. So my sister was very young and my father was alone taking care of my sister. So I had to come back from the sports hostel to take care of my sister and pursue my education.
Okay. So you are a sports person. What is the problem with Virat Kohli? Why is he getting out repeatedly? Since you have played cricket, just enlighten us.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are phases in sports. Being a good cricketer does not mean you'll score 100 every time. Every batsman or every player goes through some phases, and this might be one downfall for him, but it's not the perpetuity. He will come back, and he has proven himself continuously.
But what is the problem with his technique? Commentators are saying his head is falling right, left, center. I don't know what. What does this mean? Head is falling left or right or forward. What is this?
Sir, basically the movement of head is very crucial to locate the swing and the pitching of the ball. If your head is in the line, if you'll see that the cricketers always have a side pose towards the bowler. The shoulder should face to the angle of the ball. If your head is not aligned to your shoulders, the swing of the ball as well as the delivery of the ball will be misjudged. So your the movement of the head is coordinated with your hands, your right hand, which directs the bat. Your left hand is used for power, right hand is used for direction when you bat. So when your head is misdirected and is not in coordination with the shoulders, sir, your right hand will but obviously have a wrong chance. Similarly, same thing applies in shooting and other games in which you have to take a side pose.
Okay.
So in such cases, the movement of the head is very crucial.
So since you have been a sports person, what is this vegan food?
Sir, vegan food is a concept in which no dairy products are used in any manner, in which animals are harmed in any manner. It can be milk or the flesh. No animals are harmed in any manner.
So where did this word vegan come from?
Yes. I'm not exactly aware about the origin of the word, but I do know about the concept, sir.
What is the meaning of vegan?
Sir, vegetarian will include milk, but when you say vegan, it is totally herbal. It is totally from organic. It's totally organic. I mean, even the milk is produced from soya. Soybean is used to further process into milk. So everything which comes, it's totally vegan. And a vegetarian diet will include a person who eats vegetable as well as dairy product. But in a vegan, you are categorized as a person who eats only vegetarian food.
You won't eat even eggs.
No eggs, nothing related to not even paneer, cheese.
What
nothing.
is this whey protein then?
Yes, sir. Sir, whey protein is processed protein. It can come from different sources. For example, in vegetarian, if you see, it comes from soya, extracts of soya. In non-veg, it comes from meat extracts it comes from red meat or from chicken or from egg. So it totally depends on the diet and the requirement of the person to what context protein is needed.
There is this word called lactose intolerance. What is
sir.
this lactose intolerance?
Yes, sir. Sir, many people have intolerance towards milk fluid. Lactose is a content in milk. So many people who produce high amount of acid in their stomach, if they consume milk, and so there is a reaction in the stomach which often results into bloating or diarrhea or vomiting. So this kind of reaction, different kind of reactions come due to lactose intolerance.
Okay, you have got this hobby or activity, enjoying new food from different states.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you heard this thing? Something called Parmigiano Reggiano. What is this?
Sir, I'm not sure, but Parmigiano and Reggiano are different ingredients which are added.
No, it's a cheese.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes, Parmesan. Yeah, sorry. I'm really sorry. It's a kind of cheese.
So where does it come from? What is the speciality of this cheese?
I'm not exactly sure, but I can try.
Sure, go ahead.
So in Spain, sir, there are different types of cheeses which are tasted, and it is one of the species. And since you mentioned oregano in the second.
No, Reggiano.
Reggiano.
This is Parmigiano Reggiano.
So it might be related to a particular region of that area.
Yeah, sure, because region word is there.
Yes, sir. Rest I'm not aware, sir.
Okay, we'll talk about it. This is quite interesting.
Yes, sir.
Which is have you heard of which is the most spiciest chili?
Sir, it's in northeast. Naka Chula is the name. It is very spicy, according to Indian spices.
Bhut
Jalakia.
It used to be. Now,
Yes.
there's a different variety from South America.
Thank you for watching the video. Civils Daily provides complete UPSC guidance with multiple GS courses, test series, and personalized mentorship. Please fill the Samanvay form linked below to experience our one-to-one mentorship. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civils Daily.